start having complex carbohydrates. Say no to all kind of breads, sugar, and replace that with BAJRA, RAGI, oats. QUINOA is a new grain which is having a lot of high protein, and whole wheat. Start having good lean protein to include eggs, chicken, fish on a daily basis in your diet. At least have 2 to 3 servings of lentils, milk, curd, paneer, soya products, which will give you the desired amount of protein. It is more important for you to have nuts so that you get your daily dose of omega-3 and DHEA. 10 to 15 grams of seeds on a daily basis. Can be flax seeds, can be chia seeds, can be pumpkin seeds, but include at least 2 to 3 teaspoons on a daily basis, because first it is enriched in protein, second it gives you omega-3, third they are all mineral enriched. Have at least minimum 5 to 6 servings of fruits and vegetables in your diet.